We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello students, today we will discuss about some important preparation of inorganic compounds viva questions with answers. So here are some questions. Question 1 may be like define the term crystallization. So the answer may be the substances when present in well-defined geometric shapes are called crystals. These are formed when a hot or saturated solid is allowed to cool slowly and undisturbed. The process of obtaining crystals is termed as crystallization. Question number 2. What is mean by equimolar proportion? The proportion of the substance in the ratio of their molar masses. For example, 1:1 mole ratio. Why is the hot saturated solution not cooled suddenly? If the solution is cooled suddenly, crystals of small size are formed. By allowing saturated solution to cool slowly, crystals grow in bigger size. So what is termed seeding? Sometimes on cooling the saturated solution, crystallization does not occur. A crystal of the same substance is placed in the saturated solution which induces crystallization. This process is known as seeding. It helps in quick separation of crystals from saturated solution. Does lithium sulfate combine with aluminum sulfate to form alum? No. Lithium ion, being very small in size, does not form alums. What is green vitriol? It is a hydrated ferrous sulfate, FeSO4 7H2. What is mother liquor? The liquid left behind after the preparation of crystals from a saturated solution is known as mother liquor. Impurities. What are alums? Alums are double sulfates having general formula this where X is equal to monovalent cation where such as Na plus K plus and M is equal to trivalent cation such as aluminum, chromium, etc. In the preparation of more salt, can concentrated H2O4 be used in place of dilute H2O4? No, because it would oxidize ferrous ions to ferric ions. What is the action of heat on potassium? It loses water of crystallization and becomes light and fluffy. Give the names of some alums where cations are other than aluminum. Answer will be ferric alum, chrome alum. What are isomorphous substances? The substances having similar crystal structure are known as isomorphous. What is dilute sulfuric acid? Why is dilute sulfuric acid added to the solution during preparation of Mohs salt crystal? It prevents hydrolysis of ferrous sulfate. What are uses of potassium? It is used for purification of impure water. It is also used to stop bleeding from a wound and in dyeing industry. Why is water used for the preparation of more salt solution? Boil for 5 minutes. The answer will be to expel dissolved oxygen from the water, which otherwise will oxidize ferrous salt to ferric salt. What happens when potassium is heated? It first melts and when swells up and is known as burnt alum. At this point, it loses its water of crystallization. Why dilute sulfuric acid is added during the preparation of aluminum sulfate solution? The answer will be to prevent the hydrolysis of aluminum sulfate. How does potassium help in purification of water? When potassium is added to impure water, it causes the coagulation of colloidal impurities present in the water. The precipitated impurities can be removed by filtration or decantation. How does potassium help in stopping bleeding? Blood is a negative charge solution. In the presence of potassium, it gets coagulated. Is aqueous solution of potash alum acidic or basic? It is acidic. It turns blue litmus paper into the red. The solution is acidic due to hydrolysis of salt. What is geometry of complex? That is K3 FeC2O4 thrice 3H2O. It has an octahedral geometry. What is the complex K3 FeC2O4 3H2O? Paramagnetic. It is paramagnetic due to the presence of 5 unpaired electrons in 3D orbitals of Fe atom. What is the IUPAC name of the complex K3 FeC2O4 thrice 3H2O? That is potassium trioxalato ferrate 3 water. What is meant by high spin and low spin complexes? When the unpaired electrons pair up prior to complex formation, the complex is known as low spin complex. And if prior to complex formation no electron pairing takes place, then the complex is known as high spin complex. What is the difference between a complex and a double bond? Double salt. In complex salt, the properties of all individual ions of the constituent salts may not be exhibited, whereas in double salts, properties of ions of the constituent salts are exhibited in solution. What is the difference between an ion compound given below? That is one K4 is there and one FeSO4 is there. The first one is a coordination complex, whereas the second one is a double salt. What is coordination number of iron in potassium trioxalato-ferrate? The answer will be 6. Question number 28. List 2 examples of bidentate ligands other than oxalate ion. Ethylene diamine and second one is glycinate. Why does the compound potassium trioxaloferrate not give taste for ferric ion? Because it contains Fe3 as complex ion and not as Fe+3 ions. What are chelates? Multidated ligands are known as chelates. Thank you. This is the end of the lecture.